Today I am going to teach you Class 5, Subject Social Studies, Lesson 3, The Iron Age. The Iron Age. The Iron Age was a prehistoric period that followed the Bronze Age. During this period, weapons and tools were made of iron. We have already read in the previous chapter that there were several major changes that happened during the Neolithic age. The Neolithic people developed the art of knitting and weaving. The development of agriculture and domestication of animals created a settled mode of life. The institutions of family, religion, and state came into existence. During the Neolithic age, humans did not know the art of smelting and refining. Therefore, the use of metals was confined to the more malleable metals, example, copper and gold. Since 3200 BC, meteoric iron has been used by humans. However, ancient iron production could not become widespread. During this period, humans did not have the ability to smelt iron ore and remove its impurities. The beginning of the Iron Age was not simultaneous all over the world. Its start is considered between around 1200 BC and 600 BC, depending on a particular region. In the archaeological records, smelted iron appeared at irregular intervals from the Middle Bronze Age. However, it appeared only in a few places. Its high melting point of 1538 degrees Celsius placed it out of reach of common use by the end of the second millennium BC. Around 1800 BC, iron implements were made in central Anatolia in very limited quantities. In India, know-how of iron smelting and manufacturing of iron artifacts were known in the Eastern Vidyas, and iron had been in use in the central Ganga plain around the second millennium BC. The latest archaeological evidence clearly shows that the start of large-scale iron production began in around 1220 BC. This period was the end of the Bronze Age. Being cheaper and stronger, iron implements replaced cast bronze tools. There were major developments in iron metallurgy in India in the beginning of the first millennium BC. In southern India, the use of iron began as the early as 12th to 11th centuries BC. The Mauryan dynasty saw advances in the field of metallurgy. We find mention of metallurgy in the Upanishads. There was an extensive use of technology of iron in Asia and Europe almost at the same time. There was an extensive use of technology of iron in Asia and Europe almost at the same time. The widespread use of iron gave a new flip to the development of civilization all over the world. The Iron Age changed the whole spectrum of development and progress. So, students, I hope all of you have understood the chapter clearly. You all have to give your answers in the comment box. So, now do the exercises. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the help box. A. The Iron Age was a dash period. B. Neolithic people developed the art of dash. C. Since 3000 BC, dash iron was used by humans. D. The beginning of Iron Age was not dash all over the world. E. The Mauryan dynasty saw advances in the field of dash. Now, thank you, students. So, students, I hope all of you have understood